Most of the time sa buhay natin, there are moments in our lives na akala mo ito'y bad news or masakit. Pero hindi natin inakala na may magandang plano ang Diyos sa ating lahat. Kaya kung meron kang problema ngayon at may question ka and you feel that you are a loser, just wait. Baka naman, manalo ka naman sa susunod. God will work miracles and wonders for all of us. Nang mga needs natin ay huwag ka nang mag-alala dahil sagot ka ng Diyos. We can do many things because we are with Christ, who is everything. Every single second of our life, every beat of our heart, God is with us. Amen?